take a look at the Kingston Fury DDR5 64GB kit, the two 32GB modules running at 6000 MHz, which is a powerful upgrade for gamers, creators, and anybody who needs fast, reliable performance. Installation is simple, insert both sticks into the DDR5 compatible motherboard and enable the XMP. With 64GB of memory, you get smooth performance even with heavy multitasking, large creative progress, projects, virtual machines, and demanding modern games. The higher bandwidth with the DDR5 ensure faster load times, better responsiveness, and improved efficiency across your system. Whether you're editing 4K, 8K, handling complex workloads, or gaming while streaming, this kit keeps everything stable and fluid. It is a massive one of the best upgrades that you can put to your PC build when it comes to 64GB because it is absolutely amazing. And for me, this kit delivers strong and also, it is proven that it delivers strong, dependable performance and in an excellent upgrade for a high-end future-proof PC build. So if you're looking to upgrade, I really, really recommend this one.